Okay, so we're making a side dish of fried cabbage. A little bit of tablespoon of oil. Start out with some bacon. Get our bacon sauteed up here. Get this on high, almost on high. Because the bacon was pre-cooked a little bit, I'm just going to crisp it up right now. And we've got some chopped carrots and onions that's going to go in, and then our cabbage. Smells really good. Nothing better than waking up in the morning to the smell of crispy bacon. And meanwhile, the fish is in the oven at 375. Done about 3 or 4 or 5 minutes in there. At 10 minutes, I'll take a look at it and get the broiler going. So that's good. These are carrots and onions. Now that's looking good. We're going to throw our cabbage in. And what we've got is a stir-fry marinating sauce to add a little flavor. Don't need much of it, it goes a long way. There we go. So I'll give this a nice flavor. Sometimes you put soy sauce in it. No.
Rich flavor, dear.
Alright, let's check our fish now. It's getting nice and white. It could be done. Alright, let me see how this tastes. Tastes very good. All right, so it's turning into a Chinese marinade. So a little bit of salt in here couldn't need that. And it needs a little bit of pepper to spice it up. Stop sizzling, but it's okay. I wanted to slow it down a little bit. Okay, so that's done. It's got a right amount of crunch. No sense overcooking it. So we'll serve this, and the fish is coming out of the oven. So we'll serve those together.